This is Lars Pearson with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. We're standing on a 2019 Sea Ray 21 SPX Outboard. This boat is well equipped with the optional 200 Mercury. You got your ski pylon back here, as well as a nice sun pad and a nice swim platform to hang out on. Now walking into the cockpit of the boat, you can see there's a lot of seating, which makes it nice for family and friends, as well as a swiveling helm chair that also has flip up thigh rise bolsters. See our instrument panel right here, a gauge cluster, as well as a tilt steering wheel. Got a nice glove compartment here on the port side, as well as storage underneath. Now up here in the bow, got a nice seating for a couple more people, as well as storage under these seats. As well as a bimini top. Again, this was Lars Pearson with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and we're standing on our Sea Ray 21 SPX Outboard. If you have a question about this boat or any other boat we have, give us a call at 609-494-2102. Thank you.